day everyone. There was a problem with the gas burner. It does not burn. I try to turn it on. There is a spark, but the burner does not light up. Let's figure it out. First of all, we take out the burner. We look at what is happening in the pocket of the burner, but here everything is clogged. We take a needle or an awl and try to punch a gas supply hole. Now we are trying to light it with the help of matches, and we see that a weak light has appeared. Next, we need to take a screwdriver and unscrew these two screws. I pulled out one screw with difficulty. The second broke and I did not unscrew it further. In a chattering state, I punched a gas supply hole. Even better, and that was enough for me, but it is desirable to pull out this pocket completely. Now let's see what we got. Turn on the gas, light a match. The gas began to fully burn. Now I will cover the pocket with the burner. We see the burner burns perfectly. Thank you all for your attention. Put likes and subscribe to the channel.